Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. Today we are going to be making this special delicacy known as Ugba and kpomo. For this special delicacy, we are going to be making use of Ugba, palm oil, salt, potash, the kpomo itself. We're also going to be making use of stockfish, crayfish. I'm making use of Maggi seasoning and also calabash nutmeg. This is already washed kpomo, so I'm going to be adding it to the pot. At the same time, the stockfish comes in. I have to cook everything soft. Cute. I'll be allowing it to steam a little bit. I'm going to be adding water at this stage. Enough water that will be able to cook the kpomo and the stockfish. I will also be adding this nutmeg in order for it to get done fast. This will soften the meat. I'm going to be cutting the kpomo, the cow skin, in pieces. I'm going to be deboning the stockfish before making use of it. In a clean pot, I'm going to be adding some water. Not so much. The potash. And then the oil comes in right now. Kindly add more oil when the need arises. The Ugba. I'm going to be adding the cow skin and stockfish. Crayfish. And the calabash nutmeg. It will be needing just a little salt. I'm going to be warming it a little bit, just a little bit for it to be warm. I'm going to be introducing the pepper now. This is called Ugba, or you can simply say Ugba. It is a well-known food in Nigeria, mostly in Igbo land. So this is a special delicacy that you have to give your special visitors on a special day, or you can actually serve your family on a special day. It's ready now. I'm going to... Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.